Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly delicious, spicy beef and bean sprout soup. Let's jump right in. To start, make sure to soak the beef overnight to get rid of any excess blood. Now slice up that beef and let it marinate in a delightful mix of light soy sauce, oyster sauce, a pinch of black pepper, and a touch of cornstarch. Give it a good stir and let those flavors melt for about 20 minutes. While that's marinating, finely chop some fresh cilantro, slice up a bit of ginger, and mince some garlic cloves. Next, grab a pan, heat it up with some oil, and toss in those ginger slices, minced garlic, and a dash of chili flakes. You'll know it's ready when those fragrant aromas starts to fill the air. Now, bring in the water and let it come to a nice rolling boil. That's our base. Chop in the bean sprouts and let them cook up until they are tender and just right. Time to introduce our marinated beef to the party. Cook it up until it changes color and gets that mouth-watering aroma going. Add a pinch of salt to taste, and for the final touch, sprinkle on some freshly chopped cilantro. There you have it, a steaming bowl of spicy beef and bean sprout soup ready to warm your soul. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.